Good morning students of class 9. We have completed the last chapter, the Reformation, in which we have understood uh, the counter reformation in the previous topic, in the previous video, and today we are going to discuss the last chapter of the syllabus, Industrial Revolution, in which we have to understand the meaning of Industrial Revolution, and we also have to discuss the socialism and capitalism, the meaning of these two terms. So let's start with the meaning of industrial revolution. So what is industry? I think you all are familiar with this term industry. Everything today that is made by the machine in the factories in bulk due to industry, and it has changed our life. Now due to industry, our life has become more comfortable. This has increased the quality of life, because the things which are made in the industry, they make our life easier. And before industrial revolution, we were not leading a comfortable life. We can say we were leading a very tough life. So after introduction of industry, a big change came in the politics, in the society, and in the economy. So this is the meaning of revolution, a drastic change, a big change. This is revolution. So after coming of industries, a big change occurred in these three aspects: in polity, in society, and in economy. And the impact of these changes on the life. So this was the meaning of industry, and we have also understand the meaning of revolution. So we have just covered the meaning of the topic only, industrial revolution. Now let's discuss in detail. The meaning only we have to read, so we should discuss its meaning in the detail. So industrialization occurred in mid 18th century in Europe, in England. So we can say in 1750 industrialization started in Europe, in England, and then after in the 19th century it spreaded into the other parts of Europe, and then it was the European countries who made the colonies, like India was the colony of British, and they also introduced those industries, those machines in the colonies. And in this way industrialization took place from England to the other parts of the world, we can say. And just we have discussed that why we call it a revolution, industrial revolution, because it changed the lives, and the impact which we can see in our life So this was done in the mid 18th century, and that's why we call it uh, one of the feature of modern period. And why did it take place? Because we have earlier discussed the chapter Renaissance. Renaissance brought a new thinking, a spirit of inquiry. We have understood already the impact of Renaissance on science. So industry is totally related to the science and technology were found after Renaissance. And now the chapter we are discussing uh, the changes that uh, came in the wake of industrial revolution. All credit goes to the earlier topic, Renaissance. So this was the meaning of industrial revolution. Uh, Now we are going to discuss the impact on polity, on society, and on economy. First of all, we will start with economy, because industry goods are made in bulk, and people started trade of those goods. Trade also spread from one part of the world to another part. It connected, we can say, industrial revolution, it connected the countries also. uh, Now we have come closer to each countries. Due to trade, many changes took place. Culture, ideas went from here to there, and the development of country was also the result of industrial revolution. Because in economics we know that if we uh, know that how much a country is developed, the parameter is to see its industrial uh, development. If there are more industries, it means that country is more developed. Yes. So this was the impact of industrial revolution in the field of economy, in society. The impact of industry on society. People started going to work in the factory, and we all know that many people work in the industry, like in the school. The teachers, the students, they belong to different backgrounds, from non-teaching staff to teaching staff. There are many people who help in the well functioning of the uh, school. In the same way, in industry also, uh, non-skilled, skilled people from different background, we can say diverse uh, society, you can see in the industry, and they started working together. Yes. So the differences of caste, religion, and there are many differences that were gone away due to industrialization, we can say. The law which has been made to end discrimination in the constitution. The industry was such type of institution, without any making any law, without any constitution. This evil practice, discrimination, was eliminated out, we can say. So working place, industrial revolution also changed the society, the mentality of the society. So this was the impact of industrialization. It's the revolution of industry on society, we can say. And people started earning, people stepped down, sorry, they stepped for outward from their houses. Female also started working. They came into the public place. Earlier it was not allowed. So this was the impact in the society, on the society of industrial revolution. They started earning, and they started leading a comfortable life. Their economy raised. Yes, so this was the impact on society. Now we are going to discuss the impact on polity of industrial revolution. Polity is totally related to the administration, the rule, the form of government. And when a country possesses a large number of industries, definitely the government will get a huge amount of wealth, and thus if you have money, then only you can progress more, you can develop more. It will provide you opportunity for everything, to develop in every sector. We can create more employment, we can make our defense strong by just buying the Rafale, we can say. So if we have money, then we can be powerful. Money makes us powerful, and and if the government is good, and if we utilize this wealth into positive way, then the country can become an example, a model for the world. It Because with that money we can provide a better administration, the facilities we can provide, the government can provide to the people. So, and in this way, government can make its position in the country stronger. Okay, so this was the meaning of industrial revolution. And if we are still in the position to discuss more in thing, there is no end, because just 10 to 15 minutes are not sufficient, I think, if we want to understand the meaning, the complete meaning, the broad meaning of industrial revolution. But in a nutshell, we have understood according to the syllabus we have covered. I have tried to cover most of the parts, and we have discussed that what is industry, how it became the industry, how it brought a revolution in the society, in the economy, in the polity, where it was started, when it was started, where it spreaded, the impact of these things we have discussed. So this was the meaning of industrial revolution. And Jawaharlal Nehru has said about this that it was, we call it a modern age also. Industrial revolution, when it came, the modern age started. So this was the meaning of industrial revolution. In the next video, we will discuss socialism and capitalism. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.